Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on keeping deleted contacts from our phone book for 30 days in our Samsung S22. This option should be turned on by default, but if it's not, we need to go to our contacts, then these three lines here, next on the bottom right, top right, excuse me, this cog here, and here we have our trash function. Keep deleted contacts for 30 days. Now it's turned off, as you can see. To turn it on, we simply tap it once, and now our contacts will be kept for up to 30 days after we delete it from the phone book. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.